Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Jeff Saban, owner of Chamorro Boy 671 Islandwear. We're out here today in sunny San Diego at the Chamorro Cultural Fest from Cheltenham. So here we go, one of our first throwback designs that we're doing this year. It's the Guam Chamorro Reggae Rasta Team. As you can see, we got the reggae colors in the front. It makes it pop out, you know. And here we have tee that has Chief Kapoor inside. One of my boys from San Jose, actually, he's a tattoo artist, kind of incorporated inside the Guam seal. A little history of, you know, Kapoor and Guam. We also have the Kapoor shirt in black, on a black and black print. And here we have our Aloha Friday tee. You know, what's better than Friday, right? And even Aloha Friday makes it even better. Here we have our tee, Palm Life. The concept, I kind of came up with this. We have the palm trees there. Everywhere you go that has palm trees, whether it's San Diego, Hawaii, Guam, that's the life. It's the palm life. And here we have ladies Two Lovers Point tee. Kind of made it for all the women. And in the back, turn it around, Chamorro says I love you until the end of time. And here we have the Don't Kill My Vibe, I Love Reggae Music Razorback tank top for women. So this year we came out with our first line of hats. We have Aloha Lifestyles here that we're showcasing. We also have Poly Certified. And last but not least, we have our Hafa Day hats just for today's event. Alright, so I just want to say thanks for everybody's continued support, all my new followers. I also like to thank Chelu for having us out here today at this great event. If you guys want to cop some of my gear, go to www.chamorroboyintl.com. Hafa Day.